Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have my brand new Boxycharm for the month of July. If you want to see what I got, stay tuned.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fun, 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 fun.
Now before I open it, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing down below if you like watching unboxing videos. I do all sorts of unboxings. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now, for those of you who don't know what Boxycharm is or may be new to it or have never tried it, it is a beauty, makeup, skincare box that you receive every month for the price of $25. And for the $25, it is free shipping and you get 5 products valued at least $125. Everything in the box is yours to keep. You take a beauty quiz when you go online and sign up. They send you products according to your preferences on your beauty quiz. I have a link down below if you would like to try it out. Click on the link down below and it'll take you to the website and it will describe everything else that I might have forgot. Okay, so with that said, let's go ahead and open it and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I already pre-cut the tape to save a few minutes. And when you open it, this is the way it looks. And the theme this month is sunshine. So on the flip side of the card is all your products, which I love that they include your product card with the prices and the details of everything that's in the box. So we are going to start with the first product out, and that is this one. And this is by Beaute by Popsugar. And this is called Make Waves Liquid Metallic Eyeshadows. And it says, if mermaids made makeup, this would be it. A magic water that washes liquid color over eyelids and dries fast. Make waves to deposit shimmer directly onto the lash line or build a bolder color on the lids for a 3D effect. Any way you wear it, it's bound to make a splash. And the retail value of this is $23. So, and the color of this one is called 01 Unstoppable. So it looks like a metallic, maybe rose goldish, maybe a little bit color. So this is the way it looks. It's very watery. If you guys can see how watery that is. And it says right here, caution, shake well, hold upright. So if you get this, make sure you hold this upright because I can definitely tell this is going to be very watery. Well, maybe I should shake it up a little bit like they say, right? So that's the way. It has a doe foot. And I'll put a little bit on my hand to see what it looks like. And it's very pretty. It does have sort of like a pinkish rose gold metallic color to it. And it did seem to dry pretty fast. Let me blow on it for a second. Yeah. Yeah, it dried very nicely. So that's the way it looks. So very good. And that looks very easy to apply. Nice, natural, probably metallic. It would look nice on your eyelid, I think. So that's product number 1. And the second product out is this. And this is Alamar Cosmetics Birthday Suit Lip Gloss. And what it says about this, Alamar Cosmetics is celebrating their 2-year anniversary by wearing their birthday suit. Wink, wink. A universally gorgeous pink diamond dipped gloss. And the retail value of this is $15. So I have a mirror right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put some on. The stuff I had on is mostly wore off. So we're just going to go ahead and apply it. What do you think? Very natural. I understand why it says birthday suit. So very good. love a good lip gloss. So that's the second product out. And the third product out is by Hourglass. How awesome is that? And this is Arc Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. An ultra precision brow pencil designed to impact the thinnest hair-like structures for microblade worthy effects without the blade. The 1.5 millimeter tip provides complete control for naturally defined brows. And the retail value of this is $28. Awesome. And the color on this is soft brunette. So hopefully that'll be a nice color for me. Let's look. Oh, that looks very nice. It is a very small pencil. Oh yeah, that is a great color for me. If you can see that, if it's picking up, it's right there. Very light brunette, so that's good. So I will definitely be using that, but not right away. I still have an eyebrow pencil that I'm in love with right now, and I have a lot left on that one, so. Okay, and now the next item out is this little palette, and they have it nicely wrapped, as you can see, so nothing breaks. I really appreciate that about Boxycharm. And this is Ace Beaute. I don't know if that's Ace Beaute or Ace Beaute. If anybody knows, let me know in the comment section. Do you say Beaute or Beauty? And this is Bronzed in Paradise palette. And it says this Bronze in Paradise bronzer palette is in addition. Let me cover this up. Is it in addition to the much loved Paradise collection? 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be layered on top of liquid cream or other powder complexion. And the retail value of this is $30. So very nice. I'm not going to swatch it right now because I have a bunch of bronzers. So I don't know if I'm going to be using this right away. If not, I'm probably going to end up putting this in a giveaway. You know, bronzers last a long time, so you don't need to replace them too often. But anyway, I'll put them behind here so you can see. And now I saved the best for last. And this is 111 Skin. And this is the NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. And what it says about this, it says a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against the physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. Are you guys ready for the price tag on this baby? $135. This is what I wanted in the box. Yay, I'm so glad I got it. So, like I said, this, I just love Boxycharm. Boxycharm is probably one of the better makeup skincare boxes out there, hands down. I always love their stuff. So this is what I got this month. I got the 111 Skin, I got the bronzer, I got the eyebrow pencil, I got a lip gloss, and I got an eyelid metallic eye color. So I got all that for $25. What did you guys get? Did you guys get some of the same stuff I got? Or did you get different stuff? Let me know in the comment section. And I hope everyone's having a great day. And until next time, I'll see you later.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah.